Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying version compatibility and grabbing the log. This tells you where Mugen is failing. Once done, back up your Mugen. CFG and content folders so you can revert if needed. Make sure to isolate the suspect character or stage into a separate folder and reproduce the crash while watching the console. That gives you the exact error message and line numbers to target next. Now dig into the files the log points to and fix syntax and missing references. You're looking for bad paths, missing sprites, or malformed directives. Once you find a bad def or CNS line, correct path separators and frame numbers, then resave in UTF-8 if encoding is an issue. If animation or sound assets cause CRC or decode errors, re-export them from the original source and swap them back in, then run Mugen to confirm progress. Finish by running a complete match and observing stability. If it still crashes, enable verbose logging to capture deeper traces. Once you've narrowed down the offender, either replace it from backup or fix incremental issues and retest so you don't reintroduce errors. If uncertainty remains, swap in a verified character, pack to see whether the engine or your content is at fault. This single comparison often reveals whether to keep debugging files or reinstall Mugen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.